That's it.
Just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly
Keep it up,
dancer.
side to side.
Ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like
Now
a
do
belly
2 on each side. 2
Ladies, drop it down.
and 2.
Just wanna see you touch the ground.
Good.
Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.
Hey.
Hey, ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a
Let's put it together. Single, single, double. You got it. Single and double. Single and double. Oh, look at you. Let's go. Take it back, back, back. You're feeling full of energy. Add a hop. Yes. Back to the side. Single, single, double. Put your own personality to it. Hey, that's it. Single, single, double. And back. Great. Let's take those hands up. Keep that energy high. And if you're feeling amazing, add a hop. Yes. Feeling amazing. Let's just do singles. Hey. If you want to get low, you can get low. That's it. Oh, let's go back to single, single, double. Here we go. Single, single, double. Hey, single, single. If you're feeling full of energy, add a hop. Hey. Full of energy. You got it. Thank you so much for being here with us today. We'll see you on the next video.
Hey, okay.
Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.